Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the Great Value Survival Pack, or Survival Pouch. This can be any other beef jerky pack. They work great. They're thick plastic and they seal up pretty good. And if you really wanted to, you just take a piece of duct tape, double it over, seal it, and this thing would be pretty tight. And yeah, nonetheless, let's get right into it. As you can see, got a good amount of stuff packed in there. Right on top, we have our little pocket sewing kit. 5 different threads, a needle. Very basic kit, no buttons, just the essentials. Here, we have one of those little wire saws. I keep going far left. Not used to this camera angle. We did switch sides with the bracket. Here we have our magnification lens. Sorry guys. Very basic. Needs a new little sheath, but it's good for fire starting, first aid, stuff like that. Next, we have our makeshift signal mirror. This is the top of a Woodlands 3-color camo compact, so some face paint for hunting. Fire starting, we have some stormproof UCO matches. Then for water purification, we have our tablets. I plan on using the actual bag as my water container. Like I said, it's very thick plastic. Here we have the $2 Meyer brand first aid kit. Has some triple antibiotics, bandages, gauze, hand cleaning wipes. Very basic stuff. Next, we have our UST survival card. It's very useful. We have a screwdriver over here, can opener, bottle opener, some wrenches, a little saw right here, along with a little ruler. I believe this is to tell time. Yeah, very cool thing. And for actually cutting, we have our off-brand Swiss Army knife. This has our main blade, 2 saw blades, I believe. 2 saw blades. Let's see where that's where we are. Okay. Then we have our scissors. Oh. Then we have our bottle opener and can opener as well, and our screwdriver. On the other side, we have a corkscrew, our awl, our file. I believe this is just a random blade, or it might be a screwdriver. And then, yeah, I believe that's attempted a screwdriver. And then there's our Phillips. We also have a pair of tweezers. And we have our toothpick. All works as it should. For lighting, we have a little bag light from Harbor Freight that I busted off the clip here for your bag, just to make it a little bit smaller. Perfect for kits. We also have a compass for navigation, just a little button compass. Another form of fire starting, we have our ferro rod, which is a full ferro rod all the way through. The striker, very cool way of starting fires. And very good if you're in a damp environment and your gear gets wet, you go off the boat, something like that. This can get wiped off and used immediately. Here we have some 550 paracord, the real stuff. You can use these little strands for fishing line or making shelters, making more line of what you have. We also have a little fishing kit in there. We have a real line, got our hooks, got our sinkers. We also have a fake little piece of bait Another way of cordage, we have some snare wire. Basic little bound bunch. For shelter making or gear repair, we have some duct tape, even first aid. Another form of fire starting, a third way, we have a mini Bic, emergency orange, survival orange, which I like my lighters being that. And if you can get duct tape or electrical tape that this is this color to put on your ferro rod, even your tabs, your knife, your light, everything that's more bright and illuminated is better, because you will drop it, and trust me, it fits in to the natural landscape more than you think it would. Just ask Joe Robinette. But here we have our clear rain poncho we use for water collection, rain poncho obviously, or shelter making. Put that down here. And we also have a emergency survival blanket. This is really good for reflecting your heat back at you. So we have a large one, so you can help you make a shelter with it, or a backdrop to your shelter when you have a fire going in front of it, or you can just wrap yourself up with it. And finally, but not least, we have our beef jerky bag. That'll be used as our water container. We can purify it in here, carry it wherever we need to go. And all this stuff can go in your pockets pretty much, because it's not that much gear. This one's just going to be the biggest pain in the butt, but fits right in a wallet pocket, no issue. So there shouldn't be an issue there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and supporting me. And have a nice day.